Let's look at this question from CAT 2017 DILR section of slot 1. Simple happiness index of a country is computed on the basis of three parameters: social support, freedom of to life choices, and corruption perception. Each of these three parameters is measured on a scale of 0 to 8 integers only. A country is then categorized based on the total score obtained by summing the scores of all three parameters as shown in the following table. And then they have given us grouping of which category you fall in basis the total score that you get. Okay. Following diagram depicts the frequency distribution of scores in S, F, and C of 10 countries: Amda, Benga, Kala, Delma, Epa, Varsa, Vanna, Zanda, Yanga, and Zuma. Okay. Further, the following are known: Amda and Kala, which is mistyped as Cals here, jointly have the lowest total score 7 with identical scores in all three parameters. Okay, so we have extra information with Amda and Kala. Zuma has a total score of 17. Should have been Zurma, but it says Zuma, not a problem. This has a total score of 70. All the three countries which are categorized as happy have the highest total score in exactly one parameter. And you also have the graph. The key thing in this question was to interpret what this graph was trying to say. Once you got to the understanding of this graph, you would be able to see. The following diagrams represents the frequency distribution of scores in S, F, and C. S is blue, F is red, C is green. This much we know. So when they say frequency distribution, there are 0 people who have got a score of 1 in S. There are 2 people who have got a score of 1 in F. There is one person or one team or one country. This is a country thing. Okay. So there is one country which has got a score of 1 in C. Similarly, when you come to 2, there are 0 countries that have got a score of 2 in S. There is one country that has got a score of 2 in F. There are 3 countries that have got a score of 2 in C. This is the meaning of this table. If you got to the meaning of this table, the rest of the questions become easy. Let's see what these questions talk of. In fact, before moving to that, can you also see these two are theta questions, which is a hint that you will definitely have one unique answer coming out here. Even if there are cases, whatever is true in one case would be true in the other case as well. Then you have 2 questions, Benga and Delma. We'll take care of this later. Benga, Delma. Okay. Additionally, the other thing to notice is you have information about Amda and Kala, you have information about Zuma, and you have all the 3 countries which are categorized as happy. So, can you see that there are only 5 nations that you're talking of? There is A, there is C, there is Z, and then there is some country, random country, let's call that, I can't call it X and Y because they are used here. So, some random country M and some random country N about whom information is available. So you only have information about 5 countries. You don't have information about all 10 of them. Don't bother. In fact, even the questions talks of Amda, talks of Zuma, talks of Benga and Delma, 2 countries categorized as happy. Benga scores 16 and Delma scores 15. Therefore, they will be in the happy group. So these are the only 5 nations that I care about. The remaining nations I don't care about. Who comes up in M or N, I will see later. Okay. So according to the diagram, I have tried to make a table. I've tried and identified what a table should look like here, and then come up with whatever things we have to do. The first information was Amda and Kala jointly have the lowest score of 7. If we have a lowest score of 7, 7 can be obtained in 115 or 124 or 133 or no more ways. So 2, 2, 3. These are the only 4 ways in which you can score a 7. Yes, you can have 3, 2, 2 or whatever. But these are the only possible ways in which a total of 7 can be reached. I have listed it in such a way that the initial values are small and the latter values are either equal to or larger than that. Let's see which of these scores are possible. Can I get a 115 somewhere? Is 115 possible? See, Amda and Kala are both supposed to get this score, 115. But getting a rating of 1 is only possible twice in F. It is not possible in 2 parameters, which means this score cannot be attained by both Amda and Kala. One of them can potentially be this, but because we know they jointly have the lowest score 7 with identical scores in all 3 parameters, 115 will not be the way they are scoring 7. Can I have 1, 2 and 4? Okay. If 1 is to be repeated, it can only be in F. So let this be F. If 2 is to be repeated, it can only be in C. Yes. And if 4 is to be repeated, it can only be in S. I am not saying this is the case, but this is a possible case. This is a possible case. Okay, we'll let it be. Let's go to this case. 1, 3, 3. Can I have 1? If 1 is to be repeated, it can only be in F. If 3 is to be repeated, it has to be the 2 other parameters apart from F. So this can be C and this can be S. Yes, this is also a possible case. Let's look at 2, 2, 3. Given that the rating of 2 is available repeatedly or more than once in just C, I can give this to C. I can give this to C, but I can't have 2 more 2's lying somewhere. So this case is also impossible. Therefore, the potential score for Amda and Kala, the potential distribution of score for Amda and Kala are 1, 2, 4 or 1, 3, 3. Okay. Let's also look at the remaining 2 parameters. What are the information points given? We have S, C and F. And we were told all the 3 countries which are categorized as happy have the highest score in exactly 1 parameter. The highest score in S is 7, the highest score in F is 7, the highest score in C is 6. So there is going to be one country with 7. Sorry, I have written it in the wrong order for me to compare with the tables. So S, F, C. I can have 7 here, I can have 7 here, and I can have 6 here. Okay. Now let me try to fit in Zuma somewhere. Can I have Zuma at this 7? Can I have Zuma at this 7? If I get 7 here, I need 10 more, and I cannot use any more of the 7s. I also cannot use the 6 of S, because in S it has already got a rating of 7. So the numbers that I can use are 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Even within 5s, there are no 5s available within C. So the maximum that I can go here, the maximum total that I can obtain here is a 3 here and a 4 here, which will lead me to, a 5 here and a 4 here, a 5 here, a 4 here. This totals up to only 16, which is another way of saying that you cannot make 17 for Zuma with 7 in S. You cannot make 17 for Zuma with 7 in S. Okay, let us try the same thing with 7 in F. If I have 7 in F, this 6 that is present in S becomes available. Yes, I can get this. Let me get a 6 here, and then I will need a 4 here. Is a 4 available? Yes, a 4 is available. So this is wonderful. One case I have got. Can I make it in any other way? Let me try. 7, 7, 6. I have a 7 here. Can I get a 5 here? If I get a 5 here, I will not be able to get a 5 here. And if I get 4 here, I will not be able to get a 6 here. So all possible cases with 7 in F have been listed. Let's get rid of that. But this is not the end of my checking. The other case that I have to check is 7, 7 and 6. So far the cases that I have checked are 7 in S, 7 in F. Let me also check with 6 in C. If I am getting 6 in C, I need 11 more from these two. Can I get 11 more? I would need a 6 and a 5. Yes, I can get a 6 here. I can get a 5 here. So this can be Zuma and this can be Zuma, and my possible cases for Amda and Kala and Zuma have been identified. Let's get to individual questions. What was Amda's score in F? Now if you remember, we had come up with multiple cases, but regardless of whatever multiple case you were doing, this was Amda Kala or this was Amda Kala. Can you see in F, you're going to get the same outcome 1 every time? So this will necessarily be 1. Okay. And what was Zuma's score in S? If this is Zuma, Zuma's score in S is 6. If this is Zuma, Zuma's score in S is 6. Okay. So you get 6 as the answer here. Now the next question is, Benga and Delma, 2 countries categorized as happy, are tied with the same total score. What is the maximum score they can have? Okay. We have been told the 2 other countries that are happy apart from Zuma have a maximum, are tied with the same total score. Let's see. Can I get to a 70? Can I get to a 70? If I have 7 here, I need 10 here. Can I get 10 here? There are no 6s available. There is no 5 available in C. So I cannot, can I get to a, there is no 6 available in F. So I cannot get to a 17 at all. Impossible. Can I get to a 17 here? Let's see. Whatever is the challenge that I face here is the same challenge I will face here. I cannot get to a 17 at all. So 17 is impossible. 17 for Benga and Delma, getting to 17 is impossible because there aren't enough scores available in F and C to get to 70. I need a total of 10 from F and C, and the numbers that are already used up do not provide me with 10. Okay. Can I get to 16? Can I get to 16? Let's look at this case. I have no 6s available, but I just need 9 now. I can get a 5 here and I can get a 4 here. Yes, I'm getting to 16 here. This is wonderful. At the same time, I have to ensure I get to a 16. Oh, but the problem is I can't have 2 4s here. I just have 1 4 available. I just have 1 4 available, and that is getting used up here. So I can't even get a 4 here, and I can't use a 5 here. So I can't even get to 16 for the first case. I can't get to 16 for the first case, which means in this case, the left hand side case that we have made, we cannot get to 16. Let's check if in the right hand side case we can get to 16. I need 9. Can I have 4 and 5? No. Can I have 5 and 4? Yes, I can get 5 here. And I can get 4 here. Yes, this 16 is possible. Now I have to ensure that this second line also gets to 16. I need 9 again. I don't have any 6s to use. I can get a 5 from here. Again, getting a 4 in C will be a problem because there is just 1 4 in C. There is just 1 4 in C, and that is already getting used up, which means I cannot reach a total of 16 either. So this is gone, and I would have to remove the writing that I have made for this. Okay, let's check the next option. The next highest option being 15. Can I get to 15 here? I have to get to 15 here. I have 7 here. I need 8 more. I need 8 more. I can get a 5 and a 3. Yes, I'm getting 15 here. Wonderful. If I have a 6 already, I need 9 here. Can I get 9 here? I can get a 5 and a 4. Yes, I can get 15 here also. And therefore, the highest possible score, maximum score that Benga and Delma can have while being categorized will be 15. I'm not even checking the second case because as soon as I get one possible case, that should be my answer. Okay, let's look at the next question. If Benga scores 16 and Delma scores 15, then what is the maximum number of countries with a score of 13? Okay, right now I have 2 countries that are at 15. Can I increase the first country? 7 is fixed, 5 is fixed, I can't increase it. This can I increase? Yes, I can get this to, no, I cannot get this to 4 because 1 4 is already being used by Zuma. So this is stuck at 15. Can I increase the last row? This is 6, this is 4, this is 5. Can I increase this 5 to 6? No, there is just 1 6 in S that is used up. Can I increase this 4 to 5? Yes, I can. So if I remove this, I will get this now, which leads to a total of 16 here. Leads to a total of 16 here. So Benga scored 16. So this is Benga and this is Delma. Yes, this case is possible. Can I get to 16 here? I remember I could not get to 16 here from the last case itself. If I cannot get to 16, can I get to 15 here? I can use 5 and 3. Yes, this is possible. Now I need to get to 16 here. If I need to get to 16 here, I need to get to 16 here, I need 9 here. How can I get 9? I can get a 4 here and I can get a 5 here. So this will be Belma, this will be Delma, Delma and Delma, these are the names. No, Benga and Delma. Benga and Delma. Okay. Now let me try and make a 13 here. For the first case, let me try and make a 13. Because that is the precise question. If Benga scores 16 and Delma scores 15, what is the maximum number of countries with a score of 13? Let me try and make a 13 here. When you are making a 13, keep track of, you no longer have 7s to use. You no longer have 7s to use. You no longer have 6s to use. You no longer have 7s, you no longer have 6s. You also don't have this 4 to use because it is getting used up in all these cases. You no longer have a 4 to use either. So these numbers are not available to you in any case, yet you have to reach 13. Can I reach 13 here? Do I have 1 5 left in S? Yes, 1 5 is left in S. Do I have 1 5 left in F? Yes, I have 1 5 left in F. And do I have a 3 left in C? Yes. As soon as you do this 5 5 3, can you also see 2 5s are used up in S, 3 5s are used up in F, and that is it for the first case only. Let me not mark it with a cross, let me mark it with a circle. For the first case, these 2 and 3 have been used up, and now the highest ratings available to you are 4 and below. With 4 and below in the 3 domains, you can never ever reach 13. So the maximum case that you would get of 13 here will be just 1. Let's get to the other side, the other case. Let's check. Again, when you're checking here, see, you have used up all 6s, you have used up all 7s, you have used up all 4s for C. You have used up all 4s for C. For S, do you have a 5 left? Yes, I have a 5 left. For F, do you have a 5 left? Yes, I have a 5 left. Appears very inconsistent. 5 left. Do I have a 3 left for C? Yes, I have a 3 left for C. So I'll get a total of 13 here as well. Again, once you use up, 2 5s have been used up, so this is no longer available. 3 5s have been used up, so this is no longer available. Therefore, the highest rating now available would be 4 and lower. With 4 and lower in 3 parameters, the maximum you can reach is 12. You cannot reach 13. So the maximum number of countries that can have a rating of 13 in either case would be 1 only. Therefore, answer to question number 4 will be option B, 1. This is a very tricky question, so to say, because as soon as you start reading this and you see 10 countries, it seems like you have to focus on 10 countries. Additionally, there are cases involved, but regardless of whatever cases you make, your answer would be identical across all. So you simply have to be a little aware of how you are making cases, and that is all that there is to this question. In the interest of full disclosure, this was my slot in CAT 2017. I had not attempted this question simply because I had fallen into the trap of thinking that I would have to work for 10 countries, and therefore I left it alone.